We rolled into Harper's Ferry as another family with older children were leaving. After parking our bikes, we walked into this historic trail town, excited for fresh food, warm coffee, and Federalist period architecture.
I like this place a lot better now.
A long bike trip finds a way of teaching you what you need, and perhaps more importantly, what you do not need. At the post office in Harper's Ferry, I packed another flat rate box with more stuff we did not need, and I mailed it home.
What do you think?
Cool building.
Is it a cool building? Did you have fun in here?
Yeah.
At the Appalachian Trail Conservancy, we paid our respects to our fellow travelers on their own footpath journey, after which we walked back to our bikes and got on the trail. Heading east, the Appalachian Trail and the towpath merge into one for a handful of miles. In this segment, both groups of travelers share the same green tunnel and white blazes, marking the way forward. It is this middle segment of the towpath that the trail conditions are the best of all the miles of trail. The path is smooth, drains water well, and does not hold mud, which leads to less potholes.
You ready to go, River?
Wow, it's still in its prime, huh?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
All ready? All right, we're gonna go.
The large stone masonry on the stone bridges and canals and locks hold stories from craftsmen from another time, and a bike is the perfect vehicle to see them on. Past mile 42, the trail slowly starts to deteriorate. Deadfall is more common, and the mud, puddles, and potholes start to show up again.